Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Fiverr and Bark.com, two very different freelance and service marketplaces, to help you figure out which one suits your work style and goals. Whether you're a freelancer or a client trying to pick a platform, this breakdown will make your decision easier. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and platform reviews. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is a global digital services marketplace where freelancers create gigs, which are predefined services in categories like design, writing, programming, marketing, video editing, and much more. Clients browse these gigs, check portfolios and reviews, and hire directly. Fiverr handles payments, delivery tracking, and ensures that funds are released once the work is completed. Because of this structure, Fiverr appeals to people who want online, remote work, and it's especially great for digital services. Now, let's look at Bark.com. Bark isn't limited to digital gigs. It's a broad services marketplace that connects clients with local or online professionals, offering everything from home repairs and personal training to web design and marketing services. On Bark, clients post what they need, and professionals pay credits to contact leads or respond to those job requests. Unlike Fiverr, work often comes as custom requests based on the client's needs rather than fixed gig packages. So, how do they compare? For freelancers offering digital services and comfortable with remote work, Fiverr tends to be more straightforward and reliable. Because payments are handled by the platform, there's less hassle with chasing payments or negotiating terms. Clients benefit from Fiverr's global talent pool, making it easy to quickly find the skills they need. Bark, on the other hand, can be useful if you're offering or seeking services that are local or region-based, or a mix of online and offline work. Its pay-per-lead system allows freelancers to decide which leads to respond to, instead of committing to fixed gig packages. However, this model comes with more risk. Not every lead turns into a paying client, and freelancers may spend credits on unresponsive or unsuitable leads. In short, Fiverr is ideal for freelancers with digital skills who want a smooth, reliable platform with global reach and built-in payment security. Bark is better for those open to more varied service opportunities, including local or hybrid work, and who are willing to navigate the risk of paying for leads. Many freelancers focus on Fiverr for consistent digital income, while using Bark selectively for niche or local projects. If this comparison helped you, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe for more freelancing platform breakdowns, and share with anyone looking to start online work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.